Hi, today I'll show you how to enter recovery mode on Motorola Moto G5S. Let's turn off our phone. Then, let's press and hold the volume down button and the power key. So now we need to use volume buttons to choose recovery mode and press the power key to confirm. Now you need to press and hold the power key and press the volume up button like this. This is actually a recovery mode, so there you can navigate by using the volume buttons, and you can confirm your choice by pressing the power key. Let's choose reboot system now and press the power key. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.